Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TP-Link OneMesh settings with privacy best practices, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your TP-Link router is powered on and connected to the internet. Connect your computer or mobile device to the router's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and type in the router's default IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1. Press enter to load the login page. Enter your username and password to access the router's settings. The default credentials are often admin for both fields. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings on the main menu. Look for the OneMesh option in the wireless settings section. Enable OneMesh if it is not already active. Proceed to add any compatible TP-Link devices that you want to include in your OneMesh network. Follow the prompts for each device to complete the setup process. Next, check the security section in the menu. Here, ensure you are using WPA3 encryption for maximum security. Change the default Wi-Fi password to a strong, unique passphrase. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or names. Now, navigate to the privacy settings within the menu. Disable any unnecessary remote management features for added security. Review the device list connected to your network in the Device Management section. Remove any unrecognized devices to maintain control over your network. Go to the Firmware Updates section to check for any updates for your router. Always keep the firmware up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Once all changes are made, save your settings. Finally, reboot your router to apply the configuration changes effectively. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your TP-Link OneMesh settings with privacy best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.